Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Microsoft Azure DevOps solutions. So let's get started. Question number 1, what do you understand by DevOps? Your answer is, DevOps is a culture that implies the collaboration between development and operations teams in an organization. In other words, it is a newly emerging term in the field of IT, which is basically a practice that emphasizes the collaboration and communication of both software developers and deployment team. It lays special focus on delivering software products faster and lowering the failure rate of releases. Question number 2, what is the need for DevOps? Your answer is, in traditional times, after completing the development part, the code deployment time was huge. As a result, there were issues between the development team and operations team, or the deployment team regarding the server. Well, DevOps solves the traditional dev and ops fights by filling the drift that existed between two. Question number 3, what is the use of test automation in DevOps? Your answer is, DevOps does not only revolve around jobs or tools, rather it's about people, culture, and automation. Continuous testing plays an essential role in writing scripts for software testing, and make it auto-executable so that we can automate the testing and do the frequent releases using the delivery pipelines. Question number 4, what are the popular DevOps tools for continuous integration and continuous deployment? Your answer is, the obvious DevOps tools for continuous integration incorporate Jenkins, GitLab C, TeamCity, Bamboo, CodeShip, Circle-C, and Travis-C. The popular DevOps tools for continuous deployment include Azure Pipelines for Deployment, Jenkins, Bamboo, DeployBot, Shippable, Electric Flow, and TeamCity. Question number 5, describe Azure Boards. Your answer is, Azure Board provides service to manage your works, using the Agile Scrum and Kanban templates, dashboard that we can customize and reporting. Question number 6, explain if there is any possibility to share a single instance of a Mimsy between multiple projects? Your answer is, yes, there is a possibility to share a single instance of Mimsy between multiple projects. Mimsy is basically a memory storage space where you can run Mimsy on one or more servers. Further, you can also configure your client to speak to a particular set of instances. In this way, you can run two different Mimsy processes on the same host and yet they are completely independent. Question number 7, explain what dogpile effect is. How can you prevent this effect? Your answer is, dogpile effect is a time period that indicates the expiry of the cache, followed by multiple requests hit by the client on the website. The easiest way to prevent this effect is to use a semaphore lock. The semaphore lock starts generating the new value as the cache expires. Question number 8, explain pair programming with reference to DevOps. Your answer is, pair programming is basically an engineering practice of extreme programming rules. Under this method, two programmers work on the same system, on the same design, algorithm, code. While one programmer acts as a driver, the other acts as an observer who continuously monitor the progress of a project to identify problems. Not to mention, the roles can be undone at any point of time without any prior intimation. Question number 9, can we move or copy Jenkins from one server to another? Your answer is, yes, it is possible to move as well as copy the Jenkins from one server to another. For instance, when you copy the Jenkins, the jobs directory can be moved from the older server to the new or the current server. Doing this can move an installation from one place to another by copying in the corresponding job directory. Question number 10, can we install Ansible on the controlling machines? Your answer is, yes, we can install Ansible on the controlling machine by using the machine nodes that are managed with the help of SSH. Question number 11, what is forking workflow? Your answer is, forking workflow gives every developer with their service-side repositories. As a result, it supports open-source projects. Question number 12, what are Azure Boards? Your answer is, Azure Boards is an Azure DevOps service. It helps manage the work in software projects and provides a wide range of functionalities like native support for Kanban and Scrum, customizable dashboards, and integrated reporting. Azure Boards include features like boards, sprints, work items, dashboards, backlogs, queries, etc. Question number 13. What is Azure Repos? Your answer is: Azure Repos is a version control system that can manage the different versions of a code and the code itself throughout the lifecycle of development. It is easy to track any changes in the code made by different teams. It also keeps a detailed record of these changes, and the history for better coordination within the team. The changes are then merged at a later stage. Question number 14. What are containers? Your answer is: containers provide the means to package software code, its configurations, dependencies, and packages into a single unit or object. Multiple containers can run on the same machine and share OS with other containers for running fast, reliable, and consistent deployments anywhere. Question number 15. What containers does Azure DevOps support? Your answer is: Azure DevOps provides the following container support. 1. Docker. 2. Azure Kubernetes Services. 3. ASP.NET with containers. 4. Azure Service Fabric application with Docker support. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.